Hi, first graders. We're going to jump right into chapter 6 today in Magic Tree House, Afternoon on the Amazon. Follow along with your copy or follow along with the copy I attached in the Google Slides. When we read chapter 5, the last thing that I remember is that Jack and Annie were in some trouble. They were on the Amazon River. They didn't have any paddles. They had been surrounded by piranha, and there were also crocodiles in the water that they were in. So we need to see if they can make it back to shore. Today, chapter 6, Monkey Trouble. Squeak, squeak. Peanut poked her head out from Annie's pocket. She seemed to be yelling at the monkey. Don't worry, Peanut, said Annie. He's just a little monkey. He won't hurt us. But suddenly the monkey grabbed a big red fruit hanging from the tree. He hurled it at the canoe. Watch it, shouted Jack. The fruit fell into the water with a splash. The monkey screeched even louder. He grabbed another fruit. Don't throw things at us, shouted Annie. But the monkey hurled the red fruit right at them. Jack and Annie ducked again, and the fruit splashed into the water. Stop that, Annie shouted. But the monkey only waved his arms and screeched again. Oh, brother, said Jack, I don't believe this. The monkey grabbed a third fruit and hurled it at Jack and Annie. It landed inside the canoe with a thump. Annie grabbed the fruit. She stood up and threw it back at the monkey. She missed. The canoe rocked. Annie almost fell out. The monkey screeched even louder. Go away, Annie shouted. You're the meanest thing in the world. The monkey stopped screeching. He looked at Annie. Then he swung away into the forest. I think I hurt his feelings, said Annie. Who cares, said Jack. He shouldn't throw things. Uh-oh, said Annie. It's raining now. What? Jack looked up. A raindrop hit him in the eye. Oh, no, I don't believe this, Jack said. What'd you expect, said Annie. It is the rainforest. A gust of wind blew the canoe. Thunder rolled in the sky. A river's a bad place to be in a storm, said Jack. We have to get back to the shore right now. But how, said Annie. We can't wade or swim. The piranhas, the snake, and the crocodile will get us. Screeching split the air again. Oh, no, said Jack. That bratty monkey was back. This time the monkey was pointing a long stick at the canoe. Jack crouched down. Was the monkey going to hurl the stick at them like a spear? Annie jumped up and faced the monkey. Watch it. He's nuts, said Jack. But the monkey just stared at Annie, and Annie just stared back at him. After a long moment, the monkey seemed to smile. Annie smiled back. What's going on, said Jack. He wants to help us, Annie said. Help us how, said Jack. The monkey held out the long stick. Annie grabbed the other end. The monkey pulled on the stick. The canoe started floating toward him. The monkey pulled the canoe all the way back to the river. Well, thank goodness for that bratty monkey, right? Or Jack and Annie would have been stuck on the Amazon River. He actually ended up to be quite helpful to them. Tomorrow, we're going to read chapter 7, Freeze. I'm loving this, and I can't wait to see how Jack and Annie's adventure turns out, and I'm sure you guys feel the same way. Can't wait to read with you soon. Have a great day.